We all want technology to evolve to meet our needs, but software updates are usually time-consuming, a burden on you and your IT department. With LASTRADA's 6 software releases a year, the simplicity and speed of updates is vital. In this lightning demo, I'll show you how easy it is to update LASTRADA. When the new release is ready, you will receive an email with a link to the latest LASTRADA release update page. Download the update file from the page to your LASTRADA's updates folder. Run the LUPD application, choose the update package you just downloaded, and you are done. LASTRADA remembers the database, program, and version directory after the first update, so you will only need to select the update package each time you update. For more ways LASTRADA can simplify your work, check out our other lightning demos at lastradapartners.com/resources or visit our contact page to speak with one of our engineers.